The sun is out, the crowds are out. Welcome to day 3 of CONEXPO-CON 2017. Wirtgen have cemented their position in the US market with a new mainline paver and a new milling machine.
What we're exhibiting here today for ConExpo in 2017 is the SP64, which is our mainline paver, which is a multi-application machine which will get us anywhere from curb and gutter application, barrier, all the way up to 25 foot in paving width. What's new about this machine is both applicationally, you got a multi-application machine that will break down from curb and gutter all the way up to 25 foot, which is unique. In other areas, you'll see machines like this that go curb and gutter up to 20 foot, but not 25 foot. The 25 foot is significant because you've got now 2 lanes of paving. 20 foot means really nothing. 25 foot, 24 foot, that's 2 lanes. That means something. So that's a significant innovation to this size and category of machine. We're quite proud. This is the official North American launch for the SP64 here at ConExpo 2017.
This is the W120 CFI. This is the launch for this machine here in the United States. It is a 4-foot milling machine, rear-mounted drum with front-loading capability. There's a lot of new features on this machine versus the older models. It's fully integrated with our grade control systems, where the old machines used to have to put the drum on the ground, raise the leg to swing the leg into the front of the cutter housing. Now you can do that with the machine raised up into the air. You also have 3 leg positions now versus the old model which only had 2. With this machine you also have the capabilities with the armrest controls. We also have job data and the new Level Pro Plus system, which is a very simple grade control system to operate.
Innovative and integrated solutions are central to Topcon's offering here at CONEXPO-CON AG.
So the overall theme of the booth is the intersection of infrastructure and technology. We have 7 different stations throughout the booth, so our customers are able to come here and see different varieties of solutions, from road resurfacing to land surveying to excavation. Whatever the machine is, we have a positioning solution to make it more productive. The importance of the positioning technology has rapidly changed in the last 3 years. From the last ConExpo, you saw machine control in some places throughout all the vendors here. Now we feel that our customers see machine control and positioning technology on almost every booth, every stand here in ConExpo. So when they get to us and they see, what is the difference that Topcon provides, we're really taking that extra step from not just the machine with positioning, but the machine with the positioning and the workflow. And now we're getting people in the construction projects needing to fully document the site. These guys want to have as-builts, they want to have documentation the whole way through the project. And that's a bit beyond the typical relationship that they have with their equipment manufacturer. And we feel that they can have that, they can find those solutions here with Topcon.
Automation is a key feature on Caterpillar's new range of milling machines.
Caterpillar is pretty proud to introduce our full new line of milling machines at ConExpo this year. We've really focused on a few key features in the industry, that making sure that the customers really receive these machines well, really making a lot of proficiency and enabling a few features that take the controls from multiple manual entries into 2 or 3 button pushes and automatic functions. One of the big things we're looking at fuel efficiency is again, using technology within our engines to making sure that we're at the appropriate torque curve for the production. And some of our customers are saying they're getting upwards of 10 to 15% better fuel burn than previous machines on their job site. We're very excited to bring out the 825. It is the largest machine we make at this point. We are hoping to grow the line as we move forward, but the 825 has a 2.5 meter cutting head on it, which is getting more popular across the world, particularly in North America in that 8-foot bracket. It also has a 755 horsepower engine under it, and we've carried a lot of carryover from the PM 620 and 622 models. So there's a lot of familiarity, there's a lot of lessons learned as we put those machines to marketplace. And we took that and we beefed up the weight about 3 more tons and added that extra horsepower to really make it a high performance machine for the customers.
VSS Macro Paver have launched their state-of-the-art asphalt emulsion plant at this year's show.
This is our new asphalt emulsion plant, model EP100. This plant would produce the asphalt emulsion used by our slurry and microsurfacing machines on the road. This would be located in a plant facility. It's basically mixing oil and water. It's using mechanical energy and chemistry to get the two to stay suspended at ambient temperature to be used in the machine. There's many new features on this plant. It's using mass flow meters to control the mixture, allowing the operator to simply set the residual asphalt content of the emulsion he wants to manufacture. This has a touchscreen PLC control system, and this control system takes a lot of load off the operator. The operator would typically spend a lot of time standing in front of his plant, but in addition to the PLC monitoring all functions of the mix that he's programmed into it, we can pull up an app on a tablet, and as long as he's connected to the internet, he could walk away from the operator station, attend to something else in the plant. PLC controls are taking care of this process. He can be doing something else and still seeing what's on the control screen, and he can actually change parameters on the control screen from his mobile device.
What about customers that can't afford this product?
We've introduced an entry-level product for customers that don't need this level of control. It's a very manual plant, and there's many markets in the world where the labor and costs of machines are much different. So we have a plant with manual controls at a much lower price point.
Are you exporting these products?
We are. We're exporting to Mexico and Latin America. We also see applications in India, and I think we'll see even more applications as we've introduced it here at the show to an international audience.
Swedish manufacturer Sandvik have been listening to their customers and have delivered 2 new machines designed specifically for the US market.
This is the first wheeled product that we're launching into the North American market, and we're very excited about it because it gives an opportunity to attack that accessible market that we weren't able to do before. It's the existing Sandvik components of the feeder, the price sack impactor, which is a patented product that we at Sandvik have, on a wheeled chassis specifically for the North American market. But it's a project that we've worked in over the last couple of years. We wanted to get it right because the American market is very specific in what they want in relation to a heavy duty wheeled unit. It's the Sandvik HydroCone and also the Gyratory cone. It's been around for many, many years, but we've continued to use the existing product but use new technology to advance on that. We've got a hanging screen on the QS331 here in Las Vegas this year, which gives us the opportunity to be able to do rail ballast in one pass, which is unique to Sandvik. So to be able to have that to launch here this year again is fantastic. We want to listen to our customer, and they can see it in our product, that we have listened to them, and they can see that in our research and development that we've done in that regard, Jonathan.
At CONEXPO-CON 2017, Trimble have released the next generation of machine control applications.
It's an Android-based platform for excavators and for dozers. Key highlights of the new platform: the ability to run excavator automatics. So what that means is that we're automating the boom and the bucket, and allows the operator to engage auto controls like we've been doing for years on dozers and graders, bringing that to the excavator machine type now. Controls the flat bottom bucket application, and then controls the boom. 30% increase in productivity and reducing operator fatigue at the same time.
To find out more about Trimble's mixed reality and earthworks solutions for construction, go to ConstructionTV.TV. So that's the end of day 3 at CONEXPO-CON 2017, and I'm parched and in need of a beer. Thank you. Cheers. You can catch up with all the news at the show at ConstructionTV.TV. Thank you for watching.